All right, welcome back to another math video. Today we are continuing on our section on quadrilaterals. For this video, we are going to focus on the properties of a rectangle. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the specific properties of a rectangle. First, opposite sides are parallel and congruent, as you can see. So opposite sides, so this side and this side are both parallel and they have the same length, and the left and right side are both parallel and in the same length. Next, all angles are right, and I'm just referring to the 4 vertex angles. Each one is 90 degrees, is a right angle. So these 4 here. The diagonals are congruent and bisect each other. So each diagonal from here to here and from here to here is the same length. They're both congruent. And then they bisect each other. Since they bisect each other, that means each portion of the diagonal is also congruent. And these are all the same length. You can visually see that if the rectangle is drawn to scale. And opposite angles formed at the point where diagonals meet are congruent. What that means is the angles I have marked in green and red are congruent. These are vertical angles, and those vertical angles are formed by the diagonals, and they are the same measure. So this angle would be the same as this angle, and this angle is congruent to that angle. Another property is this angle and this angle would be supplementary. You get all kinds of different properties and rules, which we'll explore in later sections in your math class. But all right, that's our quick properties of a rectangle. One of the main differences of a rectangle and a square is all the sides in a square are congruent. In a rectangle, only the opposite sides are the same length. All right, so hopefully that quick video on rectangle properties helps. It's best to have these written down somewhere so you can help distinguish between each one, because there's little differences between each specific quadrilateral. All right, with that said, I will talk to you guys later. Have a great day.